$50. Right here, we're going to get 50. Car bike stuff's expensive, folks. Right there, 50, 25. Time at 25. That'll do. We're going to get 25. 100, get 10. Let's start it there. 10 bucks. Post on. Now 15. Hit 15, 20. We're going to 15. We're going to come on down here. Get them on 15. Get them on 70. Down. Come on down. Now 20. Hit 70 down. Now 20. We get 17, 15. Now 20 minutes. 20 by. Hit the bucks up there. You want to do it? 20 bucks. Now 2.5, hit, now 5, 25, you're out there, now 7.5, hit 20, now 30, then you're 30, 35, then you're going to be 30, 30, now 2.5, you get 32, 50, hit 32 down here, car ride, now 35, 35, here, 35, 35, $35, back, 20, 30, 1, 0, 8, hey, one for look, we're going to bike here, 4.5 big flag.
Got the other headlight. All right, look in here. We got about $400 for our last one. Somebody get 400 here. Somebody get 2. Hit 200 here. There's the other headlight. Somebody get 200. Hit 2. I don't remember who bought it. Somebody get 200 here. Somebody get 200 here. 100. Hit 100. Somebody get 100. Now quarter. Hit 100 quarter. Now 35. 135. 50. Hit 135. 50. Now 50 here. Somebody get 50. Hit 50. Hit 150. Hit 50. If I knew where the other one went. Hit 135. 50. Now we get 150. Now 75. Hit 175 here. Somebody get 175. Now I remember where it went. Hit 150. 75. Hit 150. Do you have one of them currently? Hit 150. 75. Hit 75 here. Somebody get 75. You bought it. $150. Put it on 68. 68. Oh, got a drive-in Motorola. 65. Hit again there on the speaker. How are we going that? Somebody go 15. Hit 15. Now we're going to get 15. 25. Hit 25 here. Now we're going to get 25. 10, 15. Hit 10, 15. 15, 15, 15, 15, 20. Now I'm going to get $20 here. Now I'm going to get 20. Hit 15, 20 with you. Hit 15, 20 here. Now I'm going to get 20. Hit 15, 20. Now I'm going to get 20. Where am I going to get 20? Come back in. $20 here. Now I'm going to get $20. And 20. You bought it. $15. 36. 36. You want to work a little bit? You don't want to use it all up.
You want to sell choice out of any of these radios? Okay. We'll sell choice out of anything on the tape, any of the radios, guys, just from here down. Choice out of them. All right, and I get here, and there's $200, and I get to give 100, and I give it on that one.
Up to a 1950 Dodge truck. Now, whatever parts are here with it, we think they're all there. Well, 108. Oh, the number on this, number 1. 1950 Dodge pickup truck. The bumpers, the side things, we think everything's here, but if you're missing a part, don't call me, but we think everything is here. We think we got it all back. The front windshield was there. All right, motor's in it now. Take it again, and there is a title. There is a title. Hold on, give it there, and somebody give $8,000. How about it, $8,000? Everybody give 8, give 5. How about about $2,000? 25. How about 2,000? Everybody get 25. How about 2,000? Everybody get 25. Now 3. How about 3,000? Everybody get 3. 35. How about 35? Gotta be 35. How about $3,000? 35. How about 35? Everybody get 3,000? Everybody get 35. How about 3,000? everybody get 35. I'm a $3,000 35. I'm a 30-pound, everybody get 35. I'm a 30-pound, everybody get 35. 35. I'm a $3,000 35. I'm a 30-pound, everybody get 3,000, everybody get 35. You want to get 32 and a half. I'm a $3,000 32, 2 and a half. I'm a $3,000, everybody get 32, 2 and a half. I'm a $3,000, everybody get 32, 250. I'm a $3,000 32, 2 and a half. I'm a $3,000, everybody get 32, 2 and a half. I'm a $3,000, everybody get 32. Do you want to get 2 and a half? Everybody get 32 and a half. $3,000 32 and a half. Anybody else? I'm a $3,000 32. Guys, I'll tell you what. I think it's all there. And Mark was in the restoration process of it. He was putting it back together, and I believe all of the parts are there. I really, really do. I believe all the parts are there. Good title on it, 32 and a half. You want back in, partner? 32 and a half. 32 and a half. I'm a $3,000 32, 2 and a half. I'm a $3,000 everybody get 32, 2 and a half. I'm a $3,000 everybody get 32, 250. I'm a $3,000 everybody get 32, 2 and a half. I'm a $3,000 everybody get 32, 2 and a half. Everybody get 3,000 everybody get 32 and a half. Everybody with the bone in. All in and all done. 32 and a half. Want to do it? 32 and a half. Now 35, now 7 and a half, now 37 and a half, 37 and a half, 37 and a half, now $4,000, 42 and a half, 42 and a half, John, 42 and a half, $4,000, 42 and a half, I'm at a 42, 2 and a half, I'm at a 42, 2 and a half, I'm at a $4,000, everybody get 42, 2 and a half, I'm at a $4,000, everybody get 42 and a half, I'm at $4,000, 42, 2 and a half, I'm at a $4,000, everybody get 42, do you want to get 2 and a half? You all in and all done? Sold it, $4,000. John, what's your number? 121, $4,000, 121. All right, now we're up to the 1934 Dodge. Of course, it'll be TMU on the miles again. 1934, barn find, just like that. Dodge suicide doors. All right, right here. Now, take it again. To buy the next one right there, and somebody gets 5,000. I'm at 5,000. Everybody get 5, get 2. I'm going to do pound that. Everybody get 2. 2 to bid. I'm going to do pound that. Everybody get 2. And everybody get 2,000. I'm $1,000. I'm at 1 pound that. Everybody get pound to bid. I'm at 1 pound that. Everybody get pound that. Everybody get pound that. Everybody get 500. I'm at 500. Everybody get 5 to bid. I'm at 500. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 500. Everybody get 500. Everybody get 500. I'm at 500. Everybody get 5. Didn't say it now. Pound that. Everybody get pound dollar 5, 7 half. I'm gonna get 7 half. I'm at 500. Everybody get 7, 750. I'm at 500. Everybody get 7 half. $1,000. I'm at 1 pound. Everybody get pound. Everybody get $1,000. Ought to hit her one more time. I'm $1,000. Everybody get pound to bid. I'm 800. You want to do that? 800. Everybody get paid. You want to get 800. Everybody get paid. Now $1,000. I'm $1,000. Everybody get pound to bid. I'm $1,000. Everybody get pound. Everybody get pound. It's been in that barn since 1960. He's owned it. $1,000. I'm $1,000. Everybody get pound. Everybody get pound. Everybody get $1,000. $1,000. Just say yes. $900. $1,000. Not, you want to get 9 and a half? I'm a 900 and a half. I'm at a 90, but I get 9 and a half. Everybody get 9, 950. You want to get 9 and a half? I'm a 900 and a half. I'm at a 90, but I get 9 and a half. Everybody get 9, 950. You want to get 9, 80, but I get 9 and a half. Everybody get 9, 950. Now 50, 950, 9, 80, but I get 950. You want to do it?
I'm at 9.
You're right. You are?
Correct.
9 and a half. Do you want to do it? 9 and a half. Sold it. $900, number 65. $900, number 65. Now let's walk right around the back of the barn. All right. Our first Cord. All right, it'll be car number 3, 1937 Cord with engine. All right, right here. Now take it again to buy the next one right there, and somebody get 5,000. I'm at everybody get 5 to bid. And Hayden said, "Look at this motor." I'm at a 360. I did everybody get now to Cord number 3 Cord, 1937 Cord, and there is a title. I'm a 3,000. Everybody get 3 to bid. I'm a 3,000. Everybody get $1,000. I'm at a 1 pound. Everybody get pound. Everybody get 500. I'm at a 500. Everybody get 5 to bid. I'm at a 500. Everybody get 5. Give 5. Everybody get 500. Everybody get 5. 200. Now 3. I'm a 200, everybody get 3 to bid. The motor's got to be worth that. 200, everybody get 300, everybody get 2, 3. I'm a 200, everybody get 3 to bid. I'm a 300, everybody get 3, everybody get 2, now 3. I'm a 300, everybody get 2, 3. I'm a 300, everybody get 3 to bid. I'm a 200, everybody get 300, everybody get now, everybody get 3, everybody get 3, and everybody get 2, 3. I'm a 200, everybody get 3 to bid. I'm a 200, everybody get 300, everybody get 2, now 3. I'm a 3, everybody get 3, everybody get 2, 3. I'm a 200, everybody get 3 to bid. Everybody get 2 and a half on the car and motor. 2 and a half. 2 and a half on the Cord. 37. 2 and a half. 2 and a quarter. 2 and a half. 2.5, you're late. I took 2 1/4 over here. 2.5, 2.5, 2 1/4, 2. The motor's got to be worth that. 2.5, 2 1/4. Do you want to get 250? I'm gonna do 1 1/4. Do you want to get 250? I'm gonna do 1 1/4. Do you want to get 2.5? I'm gonna do 1 1/4. Do you want to get 2.5? I'm gonna do 1 1/4. Do you want to get 250? I'm a 2 1/4. Do you want to get 2.5? Partner, you want in there 2.5? Now 75, 275, 300. I'm a 3 to bid and a half. I'm a 3. Do you want to get 3.5? I'm gonna get 3. Do you want to get 3.5? I'm gonna get 3.5. I'm a 3.5, and a carburetor looked just like that. Brought 500, 3.5. I'm a 3 1/4. Do you want to get 350? I'm a 3.5. Now 75, 375. I'm a 350, 375. I'm a 3.5, and now 75. Do you want to get 75? And now 4. I'm a 400. I'm gonna get 400. I'm a 400. I'm gonna get 75. 4 to bid. I'm a 375. Do you want to get 400? I'm gonna get 375, and now 400. I'm gonna get 400.
Yeah.
Anybody else? Now quarter. 4 1/4, 4.5, 4.5, 4.5, 4.5, 4.5, 4 1/4, 4.5. Hey, the car probably scrapped for that. 4.5, 4.5, 4 1/4, 4.5, 4 1/4, 4.5. I'm at 4 1/4, 4.5. I'm at a 4 1/4. Do you want to get 4.5? I'm gonna get 450. I'm at a 4 1/4. Do you want to get 4.5? I'm at a 4 1/4. Do you want to get 4.5? I'm gonna get 4 1/4. Do you want to get 4.5? I'm gonna get 4.5. You want to do it one more time?
Yeah.
Now 75. Now 500.
No.
500.
Absolutely not.
500.
Done.
500. 85. 500.
I thought it was
85.
475.
485. 500. 500. 500. Hey, think what you're doing. Don't fumble the ball right there. 500. 500.
That was a 475.
He was, and he bid 485. 500. Now, see, 500. Thank you. 5 1/4.
No thanks.
You all done?
Yeah.
Okay, sold it. $500. You got her bought. 68. $500. Number 68. All right, now on this cord right here, you write right on there. It's a 19. Okay, the Dodge. It's the Dodge. It's 1942, but it is a 32 cab, but it is a 42, so you're buying it with a 42 title. And they understand that. All right, and the doors go with it there. Now, take it again upon an next night there, hand a block. Somebody get $1,000. I'm a $1,000, anybody get $1,000, anybody get 500. Anybody get 500, anybody get 5, give 5, anybody get 200. I'm a 200, anybody get 2 to bid. I'm a 200, anybody get 2, now 3, I'm a 3, now 4, I'm a 4, now 5, anybody get 5, anybody get 4.5. I'm at 4.5. Did you say it 4.5? Who said it 4.5? Now 5. I'm at 500, now 6, 600, anybody get now 6, 600, anybody get 700, anybody get 7, now 8, anybody get 800, anybody get 800. I'm at 800, anybody get 8 to bid. I'm at 800, anybody get 700, anybody get 800, anybody get 8, anybody get 800, anybody get 750, now 8. I'm at 800, anybody get 8 to bid. I'm at 700, anybody get 800, anybody get 8, anybody get 800, anybody get 700, anybody get 800, anybody get 8. Anybody else? $800, all in and all done. Sold it. 750. 138, 750, 138. Now, car number 5 is a number 30. Car number 5 is a 37 Cord, 37 Cord. All right, right here. And I'm gonna catch these hoods and grills while I'm out here, and then you guys can be in the building. Okay? Yep. Did they take the computer back up there for you guys to? Okay. Did they get it out? Did you get the computer up there and ready? I would get it up there and ready to sell in the barn, so you can clerk on the computer in the barn. Because you could just be right outside and then they can sell and tell you. All right, right here, 37 Cord right here. Separate, yes, yes, sir, yes, sir, I am. All right, buying this right here. Now, anybody get now, the title comes with it. Anybody get now, somebody get 500. I'm at 500, anybody get 200, now 3 to bid. How about a 200, anybody get 2, do you get 2, anybody get 3, now 4, how about a 3, 4, 3.5. I'm a 3, 350, I'm a 3, do you get 3.5, anybody get 3, 350, I'm a 300 and a half. I'm a 300, anybody get 3, 350, I'm a 3, do you get 3.5, anybody get 3, how lucky do you feel? 3, did you get 3.5? I'm a 3, 3.5, I'm a 3, did you get 3.5, anybody get 3, 350, do you get 3.5? I'm a 300 and a half, I'm a 3, do you get 3.5, anybody get 3, do you get 3.5, anybody get 300, now 50. Anybody else? Sold it to you, $300, number 93, 93. Now, our first cord hood, All right, right here, and somebody get 500. Anybody get 500, anybody get 5, give 100. How about a 100, anybody get 1 to bid. 50, now 100, anybody get 50, now 100, now quarter. How about a 1 1/4, do you get 125? How about a 100, now 25? How about a 100, now 25? Did anybody get 1, do you get 25? Anybody get 100 and a quarter, now quarter, anybody get 1 1/4? Sold it to you, $100, number 93, $100, 93. Now we got another cord hood right right here, and somebody get 200. You want to give 100 and just go again. 100 out of it, 100 and a quarter. How about a 100 and a quarter? Who did bid 1 1/4 now? 50, 150, 175. You two are out. 175. How about a 150? 175. Did you bid 75? Did you bid 150? 175. How about a 150? 175. How about a 150? 175. All in and all done. Sold it $150. Number 93. 93. Now we got a Cord grill. Got a Cord grill. Somebody get 500. How much 500? You give 2. 200. Other to get 200. Other $100. Now 2. Who did bid 100 and a half? Now 2. I'm a 2. 2. 2 and a half. I'm a 2 and a half. Now 3. I'm a 3. Did you bid 3 and a half? Other to get 3. 350. I'm a 300 and a half. Now 4. 400. He's out down here. 400. Other to get 475. Does he want to do that? 375. I'm a 350. 375. I'm a 350. 375. Did you bid 75? Other to bit bone in. I'm a 350. 375. I'm a 350. 375. All in and all done. Sold it $350.